Hi everybody, I'm Natalie Willis, the baby sleep trainer, and I want to talk to you a little bit about how to know how old your baby needs to be before you can start sleep training. So again, if you watch any of my other videos, you'll know I often say I have two answers. This is a two-part answer. So the first answer is sort of the official answer. I tell families that your baby can be sleep trained 16 weeks of age or older, counting from their due date. That part's extremely important. So if your baby was born 3 weeks early, you want to start counting from their due date. Interestingly, I just found out that twins really are a 38-week due date. I used to have families wait another couple of weeks till they hit 40, even when they had twins, but twins develop more quickly. I didn't know. So 38 weeks for twins, 40 weeks for singleton babies. Twins or multiples, I guess. The other part of this question, that's kind of the one I tell my friends and my family, and what I'm gonna tell you, is that really you shouldn't feel like you need to sleep train unless you feel like you have an issue or something that's going on. In fact, I remember saying this in another video, so it's probably relevant to now, so I'll make sure we add that in below. Anyways, so if you have a 5-month-old baby and maybe like life's not perfect and they could sleep a little better, but overall you feel like things are going okay and you're pretty happy, I don't want you to feel like you should have to sleep train at that age. Sometimes people ask like, but does it get harder? Like I'll get an email and they'll be like, well, my baby's 9 months old, it's too late, right? Like I definitely can't sleep train. Not true at all. Kids really can be sleep trained until they're like 3.5, 4 years old. My favorite age to sleep train tends to be between like 6 months or so, maybe 7, up to about like 9 or 10. Younger than that, sometimes babies have a hard time linking sleep cycles during the day. So even if you sleep train them, sometimes their naps are still really short. That can be frustrating. And so if you manage to just wait long enough to sleep train until they're past that age, sometimes their naps are easier. After about 10 months or older, they start to stand. That can introduce just another emotional component that can be difficult for parents, though children tend to be really successful. It doesn't usually take any longer. But yeah, anytime 16 weeks of age or older that you're ready to sleep train and that your pediatrician is on board is good for you to begin. If you have any other more specific questions related to this topic or anything else related to sleep training in general, please throw the questions down in the comments. I'll make sure to answer them, and be sure to subscribe. See you next time.